Hello and good day. 22nd of August today, and you're looking at the dollar versus the Swiss franc, following up on our bearish position we have here. Wonderful position. And I just wanted to touch base on this one because I've made some adjustments both to the stop loss level and to the price target, right? Because if you remember, everything started here by a split decision to flip over. Remember, we were actually on the upside. We noticed that price was breaking that 99.58 here. Remember this one? And we established a bullish position. We started very small, but the following day, and I've mentioned it quite specifically, that as long as price remains above that level, we're good to go. If it's going to close below that level, that's going to be our cue to split. But I not only split and closed the position, but I actually completely flipped over and established a short position, right? Just because of that close back below that 99.58. And that actually proved itself to be a very wise decision. That's what it was. We started on the downside and we noticed that price here, take a look at this particular move, right? That spike price was basically at the beginning of the day, that was 2 days ago, was actually starting on the upside but caved in and got back, left that spike. That was our cue to actually increase the position, so we continue to increase the position all the way. And take a look at what happened here just yesterday and even today. So yesterday was, as you can see, marked here by this aqua bluish square. You can see that the close was below 98.50. That was an important obstacle. So we had a clean-cut break. I mean, it's just a daily close. We still need to confirm that with the weekly close. But you can also see how this, I mean, just today, price was already touching base with that level from above slightly and beginning to come off. So maybe that was a pivotal point that got broken. Now, in light of these recent developments, the first thing I did was to push the stop loss level significantly by 120 pip from its initial placement, which was 1.0070 to 99.50. Right, that's the first step. Second step, I decided, let me show you the bigger picture a little bit here. It's quite interesting. Because we're following two setups here. We follow the blue one first and foremost, and we follow the purple one, right? The purple one. Now, according to the purple one, I would say that we should expect a breakout. In this case, I would expect a breakdown. You know what I mean? So I think the purple setup completely exhausted itself, and we're about to witness a breakout. In this case, towards the downside. That's because if you follow the blue setup that we have, you can see we have here two legs, right? And the third leg just reached the lower section. All right, just reached the lower section. However, I think that price is going to chase the previous low, which is, the previous low was actually our previous price target. So I decided to push it by 40 pip because I sense that price is going to reach the 200 daily moving average. Let's take a look at that. You can see the 200 daily moving average is basically coming from below here. And I think price will not only take the previous low, but also dip a little bit lower and possibly even make it all the way to the bottom key level, 97.25. Right, so as long as price remains below 98.50, I'm going to try to chase price all the way to 97.50. That's my new price target. All right, so we'll see how that goes. We'll follow up as usual and keep you posted. See you in the next video.